there is a technology that is being developed by India, and that is for a person who is not able to speak, walk, or show any symbol while a person is in problem. Yes, this technology is for a disabled person who is not able to communicate what he or she is feeling. This technology is called brain machine interface, or we can say brain machine interface, computer interface, BCI. Right now joining me, Priyanka.
Yeah. Hello.
Priyanka ma'am, please let us know what this technology is. I can clearly see a person sitting here, Krishna Sharma, and who is wearing this,
EEG headset.
yeah. What
Yeah.
is this called?
It is called EEG headset, electroencephalography.
Okay.
Yeah.
So what it is and how it works?
So this is basically, as you said, this is brain-computer interface. The person is wearing EEG headset. We are trying to capture the electroencephalography, brain signal data of this person. This is intended for the person who cannot communicate by normal means of communication, like verbal communication, hand gesture, eye blink, or facial expression. So when the person is not able to speak in normal mode of communication, but his brain is alive, like the person who is in vegetative state, पर्सन हु इज इन लॉक्ड इन कंडीशन, मतलब कि वो अपने बिस्तर से उठ नहीं सकते, बात नहीं कर सकते, हाथ पर नहीं हिला सकते हैं. व्हाट वी आर डूइंग, वी आर कैप्चरिंग द ब्रेन सिग्नल, एंड बाय ब्रेन सिग्नल वी आर अंडरस्टैंडिंग व्हाट दिस पर्सन वांट्स टू से और डू. लाइक वी आर ट्रांसलेटिंग the intention of the person into a computer command. Once it is translated into a computer command, then computer can do anything. It can switch on the light, switch off the light, it can say it can speak out anything. मुझे खाना चाहिए, पानी चाहिए, it can make a phone call even. That is also possible.
Is this the first time, because as we are seeing that Vivan AI, the name is given as Vivan AI. So this is the first time such technology is being developed in India?
I won't claim this is the first time being developed in India, because globally it is being worked upon, and even the testimony which we have got on this project, this is the only first functioning BCI they have seen. Some of the expert has told to us. Though there are many of the institute who are claiming the systems are working, but in my view, best of my knowledge, I didn't see any BCI system working as of now. And the version which we are demonstrating, it is fully functional, self-working system, simplest form of BCI which we are going to demonstrate right now.
How much this is going to help a person with disability who is not able to, put forward their thoughts in front of their loved ones?
Yeah, so the simplest form of BCI which we are demonstrating, it has some of the dependency like having some of the computer screen in front of the person. This is based on one of the methodology which is called SBEP, Visual Evoked Potential. Person को देखना कम से कम जरूरी है इस केस में. Apart from that, our research is going on with many more other methodologies which are called mental imagery, motor imagery, where the person only just need to think about water, and it would be speaking out, मुझे पानी चाहिए. It would be thinking about, I need to lift my hand. तो prosthesis arms के games में it would be working in that case as well, and it would be able to work in different direction, like the person would be kept on thinking, and it would be translating into a command, and it would be keeping on speaking, it would be keeping on writing. So those research are in progress, but this is one of the first functioning thing which we are able to demonstrate confidently. This is why we are demonstrating it right now.
If we talk about, is this technology being given to any hospitals right now? Do you have any collaboration with any hospitals?
Yeah, so this is done in collaboration with AIIMS Delhi. As I told you that this is the funded project with Ministry of IT, and we are from CDEC Delhi. So we have developed this with the concern of Ministry of IT in collaboration with AIIMS Delhi, and the technology right now at TRL level 6, and we are in the process of giving it transfer of technologies to some of the industry as well. So very soon it is going to come into the market with the ethical consideration, with the field testing, with the validation, and with the commercialization, and with everything.
So how much cost does it?
It would be depending on the person, the industry who is going to take over, because what kind of solution they are going to provide. Because it is targeted, they're going to work with the hospitals, NGOs, special learning things, and the organization, those who are working with children with special need. So they are going to provide some kind of solution which would be useful for them. Maybe in kind of a hardware, software, or only software as a solution. So it would be decided little later after with their consideration.
Thank you so much. So definitely, for a person who is not able to convey their message, who is not able to communicate, this particular device will help you to spell what you want to say. And you just need to think what you are feeling, and this computer will speak for you. So this is a computer which talk for you, which present your thoughts for you. So in case a person is not able to speak or any disabled person, this is, we can say, a person, a duplicate of you and a voice for you that the India is bringing up. I'm Arzu Said, video journalist Dinesh for NewsX in Delhi.
Well, NewsX is